Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials done. Install Hungry Panda, sign in, and allow location so restaurants near you show up. Once location is on, add a delivery address and any building or entry notes so drivers find you. Make sure a valid payment method is saved, card or Apple/Google Pay, so checkout is fast. Now search or browse, type a cuisine or tap categories. Once results load, you're ready to pick a restaurant and view its live menu. You choose a restaurant and then tap each menu item to see options and add-ons. This is where you control portions, spice, and extras. Once done customizing, adjust quantity and add to cart, and repeat until your order is complete. Make sure to review the cart, check delivery fee, estimated arrival time, and any available discounts. If you have a promo code, enter it before checkout. Doing this now avoids changes after payment and ensures you're at checkout. Confirm your address, select tip amount, and add clear delivery instructions so the driver knows exactly where to leave food. Place the order and then use the in-app tracker to follow stages. Confirmed, preparing, picked up, and arriving, tap the driver to call or message. Once delivered, confirm and rate. If something goes wrong, late, wrong, or missing items, contact support via the app chat or cancel within the allowed window to request refund or redelivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.